Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to install Origin. So this is my USB. I already put it, in which I have Origin Pro 7.5, and this is the installation process. You just have to click on Origin 7.5 for install. Now click yes. After clicking yes, it start under processing and it start the pop-up of Origin 7.5. Just click next and yes. Now you have to set your username, basically your actual name. You have to write it here. Then you have to write your company name in which you are doing, and then the serial number. The serial number is available in the folder in license. You just open the license folder. You can see here the serial number is given. Just copy this serial number and paste it here. Here you copy it and minimize this window, and you can paste your serial number in serial number tab. After, just click next and click on yes. Furthermore, it locates some directory where it should install. Just click next. It's by default. Click on yes for the confirmation. When you click on next, it starts further proceeding, and here the file directory. Just click on next, and here you just want to see by default. Click next, and similarly the whole installation medium is now going up. This is the processing medium of Origin 7.5. Now it's installing in your computer. Just wait for it. That's all. So it's now completed. Now just finish. Now Origin is installed in your PC. Now how to open? You can see this Origin is now installed. If you want to pin this on taskbar, first of all let us open this Origin folder and let me show you how it's working. So this is your folder, and here you can see Origin file is just downloaded. Just double click and open Origin 7.5 Pro, and just click OK for the confirmation. This is only first time, not always. Click on yes. So this is your Origin 7.5. This is now opening. So here, this is also one more confirmation. You have to put your license here only first time, not all times. So in same folder the license code is also given. Okay, so just copy this code and paste that code here. If you want this OriginLab in your USB, just contact me. I will provide you, okay, a license with registration all the way up. Okay, just click OK, and it start processing. It's in final procedure. Just wait for the completion. Now it complete. Just one time close the tab and again open your OriginLab. So there is last one more process of the registration. So again double click, open your Origin Pro. So here it needs some registration. Okay, this is also only for the case of first time. Registration code is also given in the same folder. Okay, just click continue, and you can see then the code is given. Okay, now you have to click on the second tab. Okay, I already registered. My registration ID is where you find your registration ID in same folder. Okay, license folder, and double click on license folder, and you can see here is your registration ID. Just copy the third one. Okay, registration ID. You have to copy this registration ID and paste in the tab of the registration ID, and that's all. Your now window Origin Pro Lab is installed in your PC. Here you copy your registration ID, Control V, close tab, and here click Control C, Control C and then control V. Okay, so that's all. Okay, now click on, don't show this again and again. Now click on this tab on, just click OK. So that's all for the Origin Labs. Now enjoy your graph plotting in Origin Lab. So that's all for the process of how to install Origin Pro Lab in your Windows 11 or either 12. Whatever your window is, you can install this in your Windows, but not in the case of Ubuntu. You can